Question 18 is 2 marks. The question says, show the use algebra to show that 0.702, just 7 and 2 are repeating, is equal to 26/37. It's a nice, easy peasy lemon squeezy question. I'll do it and then I'll show you what's the trick and what students do wrong here. Now, to do this question, we will assume this is x. X equals 0.702. Now, the mistake that everyone does is this is not repeating, so they just write 7272, which is wrong. If the number in between repeating numbers, so it also repeats. Because this is in the middle of these repeating numbers, it will also repeat. So it's 702 and 702. Did you get it? So the 702 repeats. Now, clearly, if we took these 3 out, the fraction will be the same, isn't it? So what I will do, I'll multiply by 1000. So 1000x equals. So this will jump 3 steps because we multiplied by 1000. So 1, 2, 3. The decimal comes here. So we'll have 702.702, and it repeats. Now to get just 1x, we do 1000x minus x is 999x equals 702 minus 0 is 702, and because the repeating parts look similar, so this will cancel this. Now to find just x, we divide by 999, and now this fraction is similar to that fraction. 702 divided by 999, which is 26/37, and that's how you proved this answer. You got the 2 marks. Now look at question 19. It's quadratic inequality.